Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to edit a section background in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com website, and to edit the background of a section in your website, first log in to your Squarespace account by filling your email address and password. On this page, click on this website button below your desired website. From this left side menu, click on Pages in order to select the page you want to work on. Let's work on this About page, for example. And to start editing, you need to click on this Edit button from the top. Now you are in the editing mode, and to edit the background of a section, first select it just like that. Then click on Edit Section. Go to the Background tab. As you can see, you can add an image, a video, or an art to your section background. Let's work with an image, for example. Click on this plus icon and select Upload File. Locate the photo on your computer, just like that, and double-click it. It is uploading now to Squarespace, and it is instantly applied on this section. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. Don't forget to save your work from this corner. And this is how to edit a section background in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.